Guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want more accurate retirement projections in Empower? Well, let's fine-tune your assumptions for inflation, taxes, and lifespan. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust assumptions in Empower. The first step is to access Retirement Planner. So from your Empower dashboard, you're going to go to Planning and then head to Retirement Planner. Next step is to open Assumption Settings. Click Settings or Assumptions in the top right corner of the tool. Next step is to set inflation rates. Now you're going to adjust the default inflation rates to match your outlook. Empower uses a standard rate, but you can of course customize it. Step 4 is to update tax rates. Now enter your expected effective tax rates during retirement for more accurate income and withdrawal calculations. The fifth step is to adjust lifespan. Change the default life expectancy based on your personal health, family history, or just preferences. And the final step is to save and recalculate. So just click save and let Empower update your retirement readiness score instantly. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.